Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about numerical on two-port network. Already I had discussed on two-port network part 1 and part 2. So this is part 3 I am going to discuss. We will discuss around 3 numerical based on the two-port network. So this is the problem number 1. Find the transmission parameter for this diagram. Now we know फर्स्ट ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर का इक्वेशन क्या है? इक्वेशन फॉर ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर, स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर, वी नो V1 and I1 quantities on 1 are represented in terms of quantities on 2. So V1 and I1 will be represented in terms of V2 and I2. और यहाँ एक निशान माइनस साइन इज देयर एंड दिस इज A, B, C, D. These are the standard equation of transmission parameter we have. Okay, so V1 equal to AV2 minus BI2. Now, if you see this equation, this is the voltage V1 equal to this voltage is V2. V2 minus यहाँ का potential क्या है? This is connected to ground, right ना? So this potential is V2. यहाँ से यहाँ करंट जा रहा तो यहाँ से यहाँ ड्रॉप हो रहा, कितना होता है? माइनस I2. ओके, सो V1 equal to V2 I2, V1 equal to V2 I2. Okay, so we got this equation, right? Equation number C. Directly we are getting C. V1 equal to V2 minus ZI2. Okay, and I1 equal to, okay, so we know I1 equal to, can I say from diagram, you can say I1, this I1 and this is I2. So can I say I1 equal to minus I2? Yes, these two are opposite directions, so I1 equal to minus I2. So sorry, this is I1. Okay, so I1 equal to 0 V2 minus 1 I2, we can say equation number D. Yes, and I1 equal to 0 V2 minus 1 I2. So if you compare 1 and 2 with C and D, compare C and D with किससे? With standard equation. Equation of transmission parameter. If you compare V1, A equal to 1, A equal to 1, sorry, A equal to 1. Okay, A की यूनिट क्या होगा? V1 upon V2, no unit. B minus B है, so B equal to what? Minus B equal to minus Z. B equal to Z. So V upon I equal to Z, so ohm. Okay. Second equation देखो, I1 C V2 0, तो C equal to 0. Okay, I upon directly without doing anything. Clear? So this is the way of finding the Z parameter, sorry, transmission parameter. Okay, so I got this parameter, transmission parameter. What is the transmission parameter? A equal to 1, B equal to Z, C equal to 0 and D equal to 1, right? Now I'm going to discuss one more numerical, just I'm rubbing it. Okay, next problem I'm going to discuss, example number say 2. Okay, find Z parameter. So you can say here we have 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, and I have to find the Z parameter. So okay, so what we will do, first we have to write the KVL. How many loops are there? Two loops are there, three loops are there. So here I am taking loop 1, I am taking current I1. This is loop 2, I am taking current I2. This is loop here in 1 ohm. I1 is downward, I3 is upward. So minus I3 equal to V1, minus a plus equal to V1. This is equation number 1. Loop 2. Loop 2. I2 कहाँ फ्लो हो रहा है? 2 I2. At the same time इस 2 में I3 भी है, because in this loop I2 कहाँ है? In 2 ohm I2 is flowing and I3 is flowing in the same direction. This is downward, this is downward. So plus 3 plus 2 I3. Okay, equal to what? Minus a plus V2. ये minus a plus V2 और ये भी minus a plus V2. So V2 plus V2. So 2V2. Right ना? V2 plus V2. So it is a dependent source. We have to consider equal करने के बाद. So V2 equal to what? 2V2. So divide by 2. So क्या आएगा? Sorry, I2 आ जाएगा. 2 divide हो जाएगा plus I3. V2 equal to. This is equation number 2. Okay. So I got equation number 2. Okay. Now loop 3. Loop 3, this one. I3 कहाँ फ्लो हो रहा है? 1 plus 1 plus 2, 4 I3. 1 plus 1 plus 2, 4 I3. At the same time, is in this 1 ohm, I1 is also flowing, but I3 is upward, I1 is downward. So minus I1. Okay, 1 into I1 minus. In 2 ohm, I2 is also flowing. It is downward. This is also downward. Plus 2 I2 equal to no source of energy in this loop, so equal to 0. So from this equation, I3 equal to what? Okay, equation number 3. We got it. Now, please here I want two equations V1 in terms of I1, I2. V2 in terms of I1, I2. I don't want I3 here. Here and here. Both जगह हमको I3 नहीं चाहिए. I want only I1 and I2. So from 3, find I3. What is the I3 from 3? I3 इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? ये उधर जाएगा तो I1 प्लस हो जाएगा by 4, because I3 इक्वल टू डिवाइड by 4. ये माइनस हो जाएगा, -2/4 is 1/2 I2. So you will get I3 equal to, ये उधर जाएगा इस साइड, so plus I1/4 और ये -2/4, that is 1/2 I2. Equation number 4. So we will put the value of I3 from 4 in these two equations. I don't want I3 here. So when you put the 4 in 1, so from put 4 in equation number 1, right? So you will get V1 equal to 2I1 minus I3. Minus I3 matlab this minus I1/4 and this minus plus 1/2 I2. So you will get 4 into 2, 8 minus 1, 7/4 I1 plus 1/2 I2. I got equation number A equal to V1, right? When we put 4, equation number 4 in 2, we are putting the value of 4, this value I3 in 2. So you will get V2 equal to what? I2 plus I3. I3 मतलब ये plus 1/4 I1 minus 1/2 I2. So you will get V2 equal to what? 1/4 I1. ये plus I2 है minus 1/2. So you will get plus 1/2 I2 if you solve it and this. So equation number B. So I got equation number A and B, right? If you compare with the standard equation, you will get Z11 is 7 by 4 ohm, Z12 is 1 by 2 ohm, Z21 equal to 1 by 4 ohm, and Z22 equal to 1 by 2 ohm. Okay, so I will get this. Z11 is what? 7 by 4 ohm, Z12 is 1 by 2 ohm, Z21 is 1 by 4 ohm, and Z22 equal to 1 by 2 ohm. So in this way you will get the Z parameter. It is very simple. Just we have three loops. Loop 1 ये है, loop 2 ये है, so इसमें से V1 and V2 you have to find in terms of I1 and I2. Third loop से I3 निकाल लो और यहाँ put कर दो, you will get the answer. Okay, so we will solve one more problem. Okay, I'm first rubbing it. Third problem I'm going to solve. So let us say discuss. Okay, it is slightly difficult. Dependent source are there and three loops are there, so slightly difficult is there. Anyway, I have given two, everything is given. This is I1 is given, this is I2 is given, this is I3 is given, so I can't change it, right? Okay, but यहाँ पर V3 भी दिया है, देखो यहाँ पर V3 दिया है प्लस माइनस. So from diagram V3 is given, क्योंकि V3 यहाँ लगने वाला है ना. So V3 equal to what? V3 equal to what? 2 और प्लस ये है माइनस 2 इंटू करंट. करंट कितना है? I1 प्लस I2. इट इज गिवन बिकॉज करंट यहाँ डाउनवर्ड, यहाँ भी डाउनवर्ड और प्लस ये है, सो प्लस 2 इंटू दिस. सो आई गॉट V3. So I from here I3 is also given. So I3 from here I3 equal to what? देखो I3 equal to ये I3 equal to opposite to V this direction. So I3 और ये direction of current is opposite, तो I3 equal to minus 2 V3, right ना? I3 equal to what? I3 equal to what? This current and this current is opposite, so minus this current कितना? 2 V3 equal to what? I3 equal to what? Minus 2 V3 equal to this into 2 I1 plus I2. So I will get I3 equal to minus 4 I1 minus 4 I2. So I got I3. I got I3 equal to minus 4 I1 minus 4 I2. Equation number 1. Now ये दो लूप बच गए हैं. यहाँ हम क्या लिखेंगे? KVL. लूप 1 KVL क्या आएगा? I1 कहाँ फ्लो हो रहा है? 10 प्लस 2 में. I1 यहाँ फ्लो हो रहा है 10 में और 2 में. सो 12 I1, राइट. एट द सेम टाइम यहाँ पर I2 भी है, सेम डायरेक्शन है, डाउनवर्ड, और दिस इज डाउनवर्ड, सो प्लस 2 I2, इसमें 2 I2 इक्वल टू वोल्टेज सोर्स. यहाँ क्या है? माइनस से प्लस V1 और ये प्लस से माइनस, ये भी वोल्टेज सोर्स है ना, प्लस से माइनस माइनस कर कितना है? 2 I2, राइट ना. ये वोल्टेज सोर्स है. देखो ये माइनस से प्लस, दिस डायरेक्शन माइनस से प्लस जा रहा तो प्लस V1, और यहाँ पर भी ऐसा जा रहा है ना, प्लस माइनस माइनस 2 I2. ओके, सो V1 इक्वल टू व्हाट? सो इफ यू सॉल्व V1 इक्वल टू 12 I1 और ये माइनस उधर जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा 4 I2. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. So I got V1 in terms of I1 I2. So I1 ये Z11 है और Z12 है. Okay. Now कि loop 2, if you write KVL in loop 2, so loop 2 कहाँ है? ये. So I2 कहाँ फ्लो हो रहा है? 2 plus 2 4 I2. I2 is flowing 2 plus 2 4 I2. At the same time इस 2 में क्या है, I1 भी है, सेम डायरेक्शन, सो प्लस 2I1। ओके, यहाँ पर, यहाँ 3 में, इस 2 ओम में I3 भी है, ये ऐसा जा रहा है, ऐसा, और दिस इज आल्सो इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, सो प्लस 2I3 इक्वल टू वोल्टेज सोर्स कितना है, माइनस से प्लस, सो प्लस V2। सो इफ यू सॉल्व इट, यहाँ पर I3 की वैल्यू हम यहाँ से रखेंगे, पुट 1 in 3, put 1 in 3, so you will get V2 equal to 4I2 plus 2I1 plus 2, और I3 की वैल्यू कहाँ है, ये I3 की वैल्यू कितनी, माइनस 4I1 minus 4I2। okay, so minus 8I1 plus 2, so V2 equal to what, minus 6I1, okay, और this is again minus 8I2 और 4I2, so minus 4I2, okay, equal to V2, equation number 4। So if you from equation number 4 and equation number 2, from 2 and 4, equation number 2 and 4, if you compare with the standard equation of Z parameter, what is the standard equation of Z parameter, V1 equal to Z11 I1, so Z11 कितना है, 12 ohm, plus Z12 I2, तो Z12 कितना है, 4 ohm, and V2 equal to Z21 I1, so Z21 कितना है, minus 6 ohm, and Z22 I2, so Z22 कितना है, minus 4 ohm. So these are the values of Z parameter. Z11 is 12 ohm, Z12 is 4 ohm, Z21 is minus 6 ohm, and Z22 is minus 4 ohm. Okay, so this is very simple problem, but your dependent source is given, your concept should be clear, right? I am stopping here. First of all, I am rubbing it, and you have to clear your concept. If you you know the KVL, KCL basic equation, if you know it, then these problems are really very simple. Okay, I am stopping here. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.